Wow, time passed so quickly. This video is my last physics vlog, and I've included all the calculations and explanations in this video. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. And see you guys next semesters. Well, I hope not. Okay, so first of all, I'll put a golf ball on the top of the black paper shelf. Then I'll put another golf ball into the gray pipe, and the golf ball will go straight down to the ground. The moment when the golf ball falls on the lever, the toy car will move backwards, and the rope which was connected to the car and the paper shelf will make the second golf ball falls into the transparent pipe. The golf ball will go through the guitar strings and hit on the dominoes. The dominoes will spread into two different ways of the directions. In the first path, the dominoes will push the sticks and the sticks will push the baseball. When the baseball goes down, the pulley will rise up the box of the cereals and the cereals will fall into the ball. On the other side, I put an enormous book at the end of the dominoes. So when it falls down on the lever, the strings will be big enough to lift out the bottle of milk into the ball. In my first, third, and 13th step, I use the planks and the paper shelf to be my levers. For my first to third step and 7 to 11 step, I've used rope to make pulleys. I put some planks and books on the table to pretend to be my dominoes. And that's the 5th step of the machine.
Hi, my name is Siri. I volunteered for reading the words which were typed from Angela, the greatest inventor in the world. This is what she told me to say. There are 2 lines for GPE is because one of the line is for the golf ball that I put it on the paper shelf at the beginning of my RGM, and the other one is when I throw the second golf ball into the gray pipe. The second golf ball that I throw into the gray pipe will stop when it falls on the lever. And for the first ball which was on the shelf will slide into the transparent pipe and roll through the table. You can see the GPE line was go down a little bit, but didn't change much in 4 to 10 steps. During the 7th step, there was another GPE line came out. This is because when the dominoes hit on a stick and the stick pushed the baseball down to the ground, the pulley will rise up and makes the cereals fall into the ball. On the other side, when the last dominoes hit on the lever, the bottle of the milk will go straight into the ball. And the GPE line will goes up a little bit and then fall down immediately. The CPE will just keep falling down because the using of the energy is continually decreasing. The T spread into 2 lines. One of the line will goes up rapidly, but falls down in the 4th step. The other K line will just keep rising because the movement of the whole machine didn't stop. In my machine, the actual K starts from the 2nd steps, but the difference between K line, GPE line, and the K line is K will divide it into 3 lines. The first line is for the ball that I threw into the gray pipe. The second line is the ball on the paper shelf which was slide into the transparent pipe and makes the baseball fall down. The third line is the dominoes that fall on the lever and rise up the milk bottle.
It's hard to make the last dominoes fall down because its area and weight are bigger than other dominoes, so its air resistance will also larger than others. When the ball falls into the pipe, the speed starts to increase, but when the ball comes out from the pipe and rolls through the guitar strings, the friction will cause the speed of the ball to slow down. The directions of the baseball falls down is 90 degrees, but when it rises up the pulley, the direction becomes 180 degrees. For the calculations part, I did use the blue pen to make some corrections, but the overall didn't change much.